YouTube Shorts are exploding. But editing them? A nightmare. Unless you know how to automate the entire process. Trust me, you can thank me later. This is Promptly Pro. Automate smarter, not harder. Today, I'll show you how to create YouTube Shorts automatically, even if you have zero editing experience. Step 1. Scripting your short. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a 60-second script about your topic. Use a simple prompt like, write a short script explaining the benefits of AI automation for beginners. You'll have your script in 10 seconds. Step 2. Turn script into video with Pictory. Go to Pictory and use the Script to Video feature. Paste in your text, and Pictory will automatically generate scenes, visuals, and even voiceovers. No editing skills needed. Step 3. Format for shorts, vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. Switch your project to 9:16 vertical format. That's the shorts layout. Pictory will reframe all visuals for you automatically. No manual cropping, no hassle. Step 4. Add voiceover, AI or your own. Choose from Pictory's AI voice library or upload your own audio. If you don't want to record yourself, the AI voices are a great alternative. Step 5. Customize visuals, optional. You can swap stock videos and images to better match your content. But if you want speed, the AI selected visuals are usually good enough. Step 6. Export and upload to YouTube Shorts. Export your short in HD. Upload it directly to YouTube Shorts. The whole process, from script to upload, takes less than 10 minutes. Bonus hack. Batch create multiple shorts. Use ChatGPT to generate multiple scripts in one go. Process them in Pictory. You'll have a week's worth of content ready in under an hour. If you want more AI automation hacks that actually save you time, hit that subscribe button. Automate, optimize, grow. This is Promptly Pro.